Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best insights on everyday essentials. In today's video, we'll explore the best iron to make your clothes look crisp and fresh every time. We upload quality videos daily to help you make smarter product choices. Number 1. Tefal AeroSteam DT9814. The Tefal AeroSteam DT9814 is our top option because it makes ironing and steaming feel almost effortless, and it doesn't get much better than that. Its clever combination of steam and suction draws fabric gently against the heated sole plate, smoothing out wrinkles in a single pass, which is perfect if you're short on time or just don't enjoy spending ages on laundry. Speed is another major advantage, as it heats up in about 30 seconds and is said to steam up to 50% faster than traditional handheld models. The AeroSteam also adapts with 3 mode settings: steam only, soft suction, and turbo suction, which gives its user tailored result every time. The monotemperature sole plate is safe for all ironable fabrics, and features like automatic shutoff make it worry-free to use. For anyone who wants fast, versatile, and reliable results, the AeroSteam DT9814 really earns its top spot. Number 2. Russell Hobbs Supreme Steam. The Russell Hobbs Supreme Steam is a great standard issue iron that not only comes in a couple of funky colors, it works a treat too. There's a stainless steel sole plate, which makes it nice and solid to use, whilst 2400 watts of power gives it plenty of operating muscle. In terms of the quality of the ironing, this model turns out to be very good, with 40 grams continuous steam and a 110 gram shot of steam when you need it. The fact that it is anti-drip is also very helpful, especially when it comes to saving splashes on your favorite garments. The feature set includes dry, steam, and spray and burst, which covers most bases, while the 300 milliliter water tab means you only need to refill occasionally. Things are rounded out with a neat, practical design, which features a soft touch handle and dial. Admittedly, the 2-meter cord could do with being a little longer for some ironing scenarios. Number 3. Lorastar Lift Extra Aluminium. From the moment you unpack it, you can tell the Lorastar Lift Extra Aluminium is as premium as it gets. It doesn't just look the part, it performs way beyond what most standard irons can do. Thanks to Lorastar's dry microfine steam technology, it delivers steam that's ultra-fine yet practically dry, so you're far less likely to damage delicate fabrics. It even claims to disinfect textiles, which is something you won't find in many other models on the market. So, you can use it for traditional ironing on a board or steam varmints directly on the hanger, making it super versatile for everything from shirts to curtains. It also features automatic temperature regulation and a 3-minute heat-up time, making it a machine that's built for people who want speed, convenience, and luxury performance. Number 4. Tefal Ultimate Pure FV9845. If you're tired of leaving the house in a freshly ironed but somehow still damp shirt, this could be the one for you. The Ultimate Pure is fitted with a microscale filter that traps 100% of limescale in the steam chamber before it reaches the sole plate, resulting in spotless, dry clothes and a calmer you. We like that a lot. The Ultimate Pure also boasts some serious performance, including 60 grams minute of continuous steam, a 260 grams minute steam boost, and a 350 milliliter water tank with a generously sized filling hole. Its Beryllium Airglide sole plate also features a palladium coating that supposedly offers 33% more glide than a lot of competitors. As for usability, it's got the classic sliding temperature control, ranging from low heat for delicates to scorchingly hot for stubborn linen. Whatever we threw at it, it handled with the flattening power of a steamroller. Number 5. Philips 5000 Series Handheld Steamer. When it comes to travel steamers, the Philips 5000 Series Handheld Steamer strikes a rare balance between portability and performance. It's compact enough to slip into a weekend bag, yet powerful enough to make a noticeable difference to creased clothes, which isn't always the case with smaller models. Heating up in around 35 seconds, it's ready to go almost instantly. And the design feels practical with a comfortable grip and a detachable water tank that's easy to fill from a hotel sink. It works both vertically and horizontally, so whether your shirt's on a hanger or spread out on a bed, you can get through wrinkles without much fuss. Despite its small size, the 5000 series still delivers an impressive continuous steam output of up to 24 grams per minute, which helps it glide through everyday fabrics like cotton and viscose with ease.